Kaya sarap ang mahiyaya ka saan mo'y pag-ibig Thank you. Nagustuhan niyo ba? That's my new single. Seriously speaking, mabasa ko sa radyo yan. And then, meron akong ginawang music video. Dinirect ko siya. Makikita niyo yan sa mix siguro next week. So, abangan yan. I love you girls. Kayo. Alam niyo yung kanta. Thank you very much. Meron kayong CD ko? Talaga? Aww. Buti ka pa meron ako wala. No, I love that CD. Change album. Galing. Sa lahat ng mga mag-partners dito, ano nagustuhan niyo yung kanta. This song is favorite ko ng nanay ko, kaya ni-revive natin. At masagot ko lang ulit ang tanong mo. Sa ngayon, wala akong vlog.
Why?
Pero meron akong soap-soap. Kasama ko si Josa. Kilala niyo si Josa?
Yes!
Si Ann Curtis?
Yes!
Hindi maganda, no?
Oh, tama!
No? Sobrang ganda. Good. Kasi may soap kami ngayon, may bago kami. So everyday ko siya nakakasama. Every other day ko siya nakasama. Napanood niyo ba yung Green Rose? Yung Korean novela lang, no?
Yes!
So, yun. Kung napanood yun, ginawa namin yung remake yun. Papalabas yan next week. Hulaan niyo kung sino ako. Ha? Kung sino ako sa dalawa. Ako si Jerome. Gusto mo yan? Okay, good. Guys, thank you very much. I'd like to thank, of course, SM City Manila. Siyempre, I had to look kasi kailangan ko malaman kung nasan ako. Thank you very much. Guys, thank you. Thank you, Water Plus. I'm good. Labot din. Thank you. I still have one more song. Huwag kayong naalis. Okay? Huwag muna kayong naalis. Usually, Jen, thanks. Thanks. Well, I want to thank Mint, of course. Nakikita niyo ba yung suot ko ngayon? Mint po lahat. So I want to thank Stella and Jopet. Thank you very much, guys. We have a story here sa second floor. Check it out. Do we have a sale today? Not really, but soon, no? But yeah, we have new stuff though. Meron naman mga bago kaming mga damit. Check out niyo yung Jericho Rosales line. Yung mga sinasuot ko na damit, may nakikita sa likod pangalan ko, Jericho Rosales. Dahil kaya, Jopet and Stella. Thank you very much. Mint, thank you. Sarap. So anyway, salamat sa lahat ng nanonood ng Asap XB. Ano pa? Sino dito nag-Twitter? Layo. Kung Ian Marambel, nandito ka ba? Anyway, wala. Anyway, follow niyo ako sa Twitter, Jericho_Rosales. Facebook. Nabuhay ang madla. Facebook, Jericho Rosales Official Page. Dali lang, Jericho Rosales Official Page. Okay? So makikita ko na yung ano dyan. Sino may cellphone? Bibigyan ko yung number ko. Sino may cellphone? Sino may cellphone? Taas na kagad yung kamay. Get ready. I'll give you my number. I'll give you my number. Ayaw nyo. Huwag na. I'll give it to you na. Ayaw mo ba? 2366. Bakit? Meron pa ako isang number. 808, pasa load. Wala akong load eh. Pasa niyo ako load. Prepaid lang ako. Smart. Okay lang. Oo. Ikaw, line? Social. Aketch prepaid. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for coming here. I'd like to leave you with one more song. Usually may flowers ako dito kapag kinakanta ko ng kantang ko. But I want to dedicate this song sa lahat ng mga babae ngayong hapon na to. Sa lahat ng dalaga, tsaka lola, tsaka mami, tsaka mga babies. Basta ano, guys, if you're feeling ugly today, get ready because God really looks at you like, tingin niya sa inyo, wow, you're so beautiful. Okay? So feel beautiful. Don't ever feel insecure. Okay? So, kung gusto niyo magpaganda, punta kayo sa Mint. Balikan damit. Anyway, okay, pakinggan niyo itong song na to. Guys, thank you very much. I love you all. Thank you. Happy holidays. This one's called Beautiful in My Eyes. If you stay still, pupunta ako dyan. You're my peace of mind. In this everything I tried to find. Your love is burn. You're my Mona Lisa. You're my rainbow sky. And my only prayer is that you see your light.
Yung picture, hindi ko yung picture ni Kuya.
After what?